I have been tagged to do 10 crafty questions from Joy Menis. Stay tuned and we'll get started. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Nikki. I'm Little Crafty Nook, and I'm here to answer 10 crafty questions. And we are going around tagging each other and for fun to get to know each other better. All right, my full name is Nikki Hensley, and that's soon to change in January. So I'm excited about that, and so is he. And how I got my name, Little Crafty Nook. My space is very small. I'm in the corner of the office, and I am renovating, getting ready to really quickly here. And I'm going to go ahead and be doing another video on that. So stay tuned for that. My favorite crafts have to be cards. That's my main focus. I have started doing scrapbooking, and I got started with my family pictures. So let's see. My favorite shops. The online would be Amazon, hands down. Scrapbook.com is very good. I love their customer service and their prices. And then Michael's. When I'm in a pinch and feel like I need to get something, I'll stop by there. All right. It limits us to 5 favorite YouTubers that we watch, but oh my goodness. Bourbon Creek Crafts, Beth. Call Me Crafty Al, Alicia. Wendy Mason. Sherry Renaud. Metal Scrappin' Chick. Stamp Girl. Dawn H Creates. Country Girl First. My goodness. So many. And they each have their own different take on things, which is great. We learn a lot from each other. My favorite colors are lavender and teal. My favorite craft products are my trimmer and my die cut machine, which was given to me by a former late patient, and she kind of got me started, and so I will talk about that a little bit later. Where did the crafting bug come from? My mom's side of the family, they did decoupage, the kind where you layer die cuts on top of each other with foam tape. Painting. My mom did a lot of painting. And then I wanted to show this. This is called tatting. And my great Aunt Bee used to do it. And now my Aunt Diane does it. And she's the only one in the family that does that. But it's really, really pretty. I have a couple of Christmas ornaments from my great Aunt Bee. Okay, how long have I been crafting? I've been doing different kinds of crafting for a very long time. Back in the 80s, when my kids were young, oddly enough, I did crafting with a friend of mine, and I made potpourri baskets. I would buy the baskets at Michael's that you have to paint, and then I would make little potpourri, tie it up in lace, and then sell those. So we would get together and go to craft shows together, and she would sell her items and I would sell mine. But I've started this last time paper crafting. Like I said, I got the die cut machine and some wood block stamps in tons of pattern paper from this lady who has since passed on. And so I just wanted to continue it, and I have bloomed, and now I have to kind of get a little smaller here because I don't have a lot of space. Okay, my favorite has to be my mom's scrapbook that I made just recently. And I do have a video on that scrapbook, and I will put it up right here. So it comes time to tag some more people. Let's go with Hope's Heavenly Creations, Leticia Zavala, and Linda Kaufmann. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have as much fun with this as I did. And we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.